We've been in business now for 20 years and we've tried every shingle on the market, and IKO is really our shingle of choice. Today we're doing a beautiful home in Brossard. It has 3,300 square feet. The products of choice at Toiture RPM is Dynasty. We have the Dynasty ArmourZone, which is really efficient for high winds. And the reason why is because of this band in the back here. It's a reinforced woven band, which prevents nail pull-offs and also blow-offs. We're installing the new color Summit Grey from IKO, which I absolutely love. It's going to look beautiful on this roof. We appreciate the value in IKO shingles because every pack of shingles has 33.3 square feet. So every 3 packs gives a true square of 100 square feet, which is much easier to calculate a roof. IKO Gold Standard is a true advantage with IKO as well. The colors are always consistent, so it's basically the same recipe every time. They manufacture their own granules, so there's never any color that is not consistent. Today we actually added on a product called EdgeSeal. We saw this in a roofing convention and I love the product, and it's really efficient for high winds so it doesn't blow the first shingles off the roof. Since we've been using Dynasty from IKO, we've never had any blow-offs, any comebacks from their shingles.